I'm Becky and this is Lucy.
Hi.
And today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful holographic hair ready for the festival season. So we've just dampened Lucy's hair and we're going to go ahead and section it. I'm going to section the hair into 3 sections that are going to make it really easy for you to do. Do one section from the ear to the crown and then just pop that in a sectioning clip. Same again on this side. You can section this off with hair bubbles or anything that makes it easy for you to work. And now the whole of the back will be its own section too. So we're now going to start and use the pink colour all over the roots across the whole head. We're taking quite small sections here because Lucy's hair is quite thick, so if you do have thick hair, remember to take your sections a little bit smaller. And if you have finer hair, you can take bigger sections. So we're painting the pink about 5 inches down the hair, and then we're going to blend the other colours back up into that. Here I'm using a brush, but if you don't have a brush at home, you can always use your hands or even a toothbrush, anything like that for precision to get right into the roots and then massaging it in with your hands. So we're doing exactly the same at the back here too. We're taking the pink 5 inches down in really small sections. So now we've finished the base colour, which is the pink. We've done this all over the roots, and now we're going to go on to the rainbow colours. So for the rainbow colours, I've chosen 3 colours to blend through with the pink. We've got a green, a purple and a blue. All of these will be added to Pasteliser to make them really cool and pastel shaded. With each colour, we're going to take random sections. We're going to start off here with the purple and paint it directly onto the ends of the hair and make sure it's blended up into the pink. And we're going to alternate each colour as we go. With each colour, you don't need to go in a strict pattern. You should always just go for what you think looks great. So once you've painted the colour on, you just want to run your fingers across it and make sure it's blended into the pink at the top. Right, so that's the colour applied. We're going to wait 30 minutes now and then we're going to wash it off.